Alright, y'all, let's do a little quick beat. First, I'm going to take the e.l.f. Makeup Mist Spray, and I'm sprayed all over my face. Then I'm going to take my NYX eyebrow pencil and draw my eyebrows on. Then I'm going to take the Black Radiance Brown Coal, and I'm going to darken up my eyebrows. Then I'm going to take a lighter powder and put it underneath my eye as a little base. Then I'm going to go in with my banana powder and put it on top of that so it can sit and bake. Then after that, I went in with my face powder and put it all over. And then I went in with my contour powder in my crease of my eyelid, you know, to give it a little smoky effect. Then I went in with that same contour powder and contour my cheeks. And then I used that same contour powder and I put it on my nose and I brought it up into my crease, you know, make everything blend seamlessly. Then I went back in with that lighter powder and bake and dust off that bake. Then I went in with my Nika K blush and I put it on my cheeks. And then I went in with my highlighter and I put that on my cheekbones from the Morphe palette. Then I took my Ulta Black Coal eyeliner and put it into my waterline. Then I finished off with that e.l.f. spray. And voila, I'm finished. Thanks for watching.